How does money work? Well, money works in a lot of different ways. It's a medium of exchange, unit of account, and store of value. Money's medium of exchange function is what facilitates transactions between parties. As a result, governments that issue currency are responsible for it. The government secures its availability, prevention of easy replication, and the maintenance of sufficient quantities as needed. Then, there is money's function as a unit of account. This is what makes it possible to account for profits and losses, balance a budget, and value the total assets of a company. And when we talk about store value, it's because money can be reliably saved, stored, and retrieved. Think of when a person holds money in their wallet until they want to exchange it for goods or services. This ability to save and postpone consumption until a later date demonstrates money's function as a store of value. Meanwhile, money can take the form of physical currency. This includes coins and banknotes, or digital representations. If you get paid in dollars and receive a direct deposit to your bank, you still get physical currency. What is deposited into your account is a digital representation of the physical money you got. Money also works through regulation. On one hand, central banks regulate the money supply and interest rates. These governmental banks do this to manage inflation and economic stability. Commercial banks, on the other hand, lend money and create credit through fractional reserve banking. In some instances, you don't even know how much of a credit you get. American Express is a popular credit card that does not give you a credit limit for some of its accounts. Money also works between multiple nations. Currency exchange markets facilitate the trading of different national currencies. For example, if you travel to a European country with American dollars in your wallet, you will most likely have to exchange them for euros to use your money. Another way money works is through investing. Investing allows people and organizations to grow their wealth through various financial instruments. For instance, many working Americans put a portion of their paycheck into an investment retirement account. They do this in the hopes that their money will grow to larger amounts by the time they reach retirement age. Therefore, as you can see, money functions as a cornerstone of modern economies because it enables transactions, investment, and economic growth. So, does this accurately describe how money works? Let us know in the comments.